Hello and welcome to Perfect Pixel. My name is Ali John and I'm here to give you essential training of Adobe Illustrator 2018. Hope you enjoy. Please click on subscribe button to stay connected for more and more. Thank you. Type Tool Tutorial for Beginners. Keyboard Shortcuts. Number 1, select the Type tool, T. Number 2, Show Hide Character Panel, Command and T. Number 3, Show Hide Open Type Panel, Alt plus Shift plus Command and T. Number 4, Show Hide Paragraph Panel, Alt plus Command and T. Number 5, Show Hide Tabs Panel, Shift plus Command and T. Number 6, Create Outlines, Shift plus Command and O. Number 7, Show Hide Hidden Characters, Alt plus Command and I. Type is an essential part of Illustrator. Whether you're desktop publishing, designing logos, or using type for image building, you'll be reaching for the Type tool. This guide comprehensively covers the essentials of what is a huge amount of Illustrator functionality. Select the Type tool in the toolbar, which has an icon of a capital T. You can also use the keyboard shortcut T to select the tool. To create a single word or line of text, simply click on the stage. A blinking cursor will note you can now type. Type anything you like, which will create a new type layer in your document. Number 2, Area Type Tool. The Area Type tool is for constraining type within a path, allowing you to create blocks of text in any shape. Start by creating a path with one of the shape tools or the pen tool. For practice, select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and click and drag on the stage to create a circle. Next, select the Area Type tool from the toolbar by holding down the left mouse button on the Type tool T, revealing each of the type tools. Now, any text you type or paste will be constrained by the shape and size of the path. Number 3, the Type on Path tool. Unlike the Area Type tool that constrains text within a path, the Type on a Path tool keeps text on a path. Start by creating a path using the pen tool. Then, select the Type on a Path tool from the toolbar. Click on the path to bring up a blinking cursor, and any text you type will remain on the line and curves of the path. Number 4, Vertical Type tool. The 3 vertical type tools serve the same function as the tools we have gone over, but display type vertically instead of horizontally. Follow the steps of each of the previous type tools using the corresponding vertical tools, the vertical type tool, the vertical area type tool and the vertical type on a path tool. Once you have mastered these and the other type tools, text can be created in any shape or form. Number 5, Vertical Type on a Path tool. Click on a path to constrain vertically flowing text along that path. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Please click on the subscribe button to stay connected for more and more. Hope you enjoy it.